I am Charles of Charles Acrylics. Today I'm bringing you a painting of a dragline down in the Florida phosphate mines. This is a painting that I've done just recently completed for a client. It was a long painting, so I don't have video footage of that. It will just be pictures be set up back to back that you can see the completion of that. The video I wanted to bring to you today was actually of the largemouth bass that I had just completed. Unfortunately, those files got deleted, and so I'm unable to showcase to you that today. But more tutorial videos will be coming in the future. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, like and comment and share. I'm here to help you. I'm learning things, continually learning as an artist, and I'm going to share with you the things that I learn along the way. So I'd love to help you learn and grow as well. So please like, subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of newly uploaded videos to my page, which are going to be coming. So thank you, happy painting, and God bless.